Hello, I'm Colton Cutlars and I'm the marketing manager here at DocMe. Today we'll be discussing the cost of digital transformation. The cost of digital transformation really comes down to the size of your company, the number of employees it has, and how integrated you want the DMS, capture, or ECM software to be with other softwares that you have within the company. Today, we will be running through three tiers of companies and organizations that sell software. We're going to start off with the high tier. The high tier consists of Fortune 500 companies, and the cost of these softwares can cost anywhere between a couple hundred thousand dollars to $1 million. And that, like I said before, it really depends on the size of the company, how integrated you want the software, and what features you prefer in the software. So now we're going to talk about the middle tier. And the middle tier consists of medium to somewhat larger sized companies, and that is where DocMe and other software providers come into play. And these software providers, including DocMe, can cost anywhere between $1,000 to $100,000, depending on certain features, users, and requirements that are asked from the end user. Lastly, we will be talking about the low tier. The low tier consists of SMBs to small businesses to home users. And the price for this tier can range anywhere from a couple dollars to a couple $1,000s per year. What you need to know about the low tier is that yes, it is cheaper, but it is basically a USB. You really only use it to store files. It is very limited in certain features and what you can do. But that being said, it is for small to medium business owners, but also home users, so this may not be necessary, and that is totally okay. The last thing we're going to talk about is MultiCloud, and that is probably one of the biggest topics about digital transformation in 2020. You have private, you have public, and you have hybrid clouds. Obviously here at DocMe, we offer the top providers such as Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, but we also provide medium to smaller tier providers such as OVH and Vultr. And the reason for this is that those medium to smaller businesses and even home users, if they want to have a cloud, it is fairly priced for them and they will get the software that fits their needs. Lastly, to conclude everything that we've gone through today, remember, the digital transformation process really depends on the size of your company, the needs of your organization, and how you want it implemented with other softwares.